Today is Monday, 24th of February, and the time now is 17:25 p.m. That is 5:25 p.m. East African time. And I know some of you have different time zones, but this is 5:26 p.m. East African time, Monday, on the Monday of 24th February, the year 2020. The Lord has caused me to step forward before him and strike the earth with the plague of frogs. And I saw the frogs in their skins when they all of a sudden covered the land. Their skin was like that of serpents, the snakes. And they were coming into the houses. So I was running to shut my door also. The skin of the frogs are like they're greenish, a little greenish, like that of serpents, snakes. These are terrible times, now strictly based on the words of my tongue. The land will be covered with frogs. The Lord of hosts, he says, now you've crossed the red line. You've dishonored my messengers, my own servants. And now I'll unleash them. I'll now unleash them unto you, that you may know exactly who they are and the power they behold. And you scampering around, try to shut your doors, that frogs may not come. I have run also in there to shut the door that they may not come. Now, strictly based on the words of my tongue, I have struck the earth with frogs, and there are so many frogs jumping around. It's unbelievable. It's unsightly. And they're rushing, trying to get into the house. I'm shutting the door. Their skin is greenish. They're designed like serpents. Unbearable to watch. These are terrible days. Blessed people, the Messiah is coming.